In this video, I'll show you how to add bank details in a Zoho Books invoice. First, sign into your Zoho Books account on your desktop. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Settings. Next, scroll down to the Templates section and select Invoice Templates. Here you'll find the templates used for your invoices. After that, choose the invoice template you want to edit and click Edit. Now, look for the footer or additional information section of the template. This is where you can add payment instructions for your customers. Next, enter your bank details, such as your bank name, account number, IBAN, SWIFT code, or any other payment information your customers need to make a bank transfer. After that, save the template changes. The bank details will now appear automatically on invoices that use this template. Now, create a new invoice or open an existing invoice to verify that the bank information is displaying correctly. Next, review the invoice layout and make sure the payment details are easy for customers to find. Finally, send the invoice to your customer. They will be able to use the bank information provided on the invoice to make their payment. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add bank details in a Zoho Books invoice. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.